Hey guys, my name is Rheannon Simmons and I'm the lead conveyancer here at Enterprise Legal. This is my second year in the conveyancing team, so I thought it was a great opportunity to jump on here, have a bit of a recap of what happened last year and also a bit of a sneak peek of what's coming in 2023. So we started off last year with some pretty strict COVID-19 restrictions in place. Social distancing was pretty easy in our spacious office, but we did find it quite challenging to wear masks at all times. COVID also made its way through our office and we were all forced to isolate. Luckily in law and particularly conveyancing, we can do the majority of our work electronically and or from home. We pressed on during these periods and we thank all of our clients for their understanding throughout. Hopefully we don't have to go through this again anytime soon. In January of last year, REIQ released updated contracts for use when buying or selling residential house, units or land, which came with several changes. Most importantly, changes to smoke alarm requirements and obligations, pool compliance obligations, changes to seller warranties and infrastructure services, and a new contract term enabling either party to have a unilateral right to extend settlement date by up to 5 business days if needed. We advise our clients of what these changes mean when we review the contract and also throughout the matter. And if you have any questions about any of these, we're also happy to answer those questions. We've also got some different resources available online for your viewing pleasure if you would like to look into this any further. So jumping forward to October of last year, we were lucky enough to have a stall at the Seniors Expo, which was at the Toowoomba Showgrounds. This is the second year that EL's had a stall, but it was my first year, so it was really good to attend and get to meet with our senior community, have a chat about that next important transition of their life and how we can assist in all of that. Also in October, we had a pretty busy month. My team was lucky enough to attend the property conference at the Sofitel Hotel in Brisbane. It was a really great opportunity to get away from work and also a great chance to meet with other professionals within our industry and have a chat to all the people there. There were some fantastic speakers who gave us some real insight into the changes we've not only seen the past year, but also have a bit of a sneak peek of what's coming, and we found it really beneficial. We're currently working on all that information that we've absorbed throughout that conference and looking at the best way we can provide that to you all, so watch this space. So we're excited for the new year and the changes that are happening this year. Firstly, Queensland is finally catching up with other states and electronic conveyancing is becoming mandatory in February. Electronic conveyancing, otherwise known as PEXA, allows instruments and documents needed for property transactions to be digitally prepared, signed, settled and lodged. We can do it all from our office and not be required to procure bank checks and physically attend settlement with paper transfer documents. This is huge news for clients, banks and us alike. The most obvious reason being that PEXA just makes everything so much easier, more efficient and quick. We've been lucky enough to do PEXA transactions the last few years, but it really only takes that one paper settlement to remind us of how great and efficient PEXA is. Understandably, there may be some trepidation from clients who have not used PEXA before or who are wary of transferring funds online. We are here to help you through that, guide you through that. We have many security protocols in place to ensure safety and to avoid hacking, and we are happy to alleviate any of those concerns for you. There are also planned changes coming for sellers' requirements with disclosure. So there is currently no formal disclosure requirement in place for Queensland. But we have been notified that there is works of a formal seller disclosure agreement being prepared for implementation later this year. This will mean that sellers will be required to complete a disclosure statement and provide it to the buyer before they enter into the contract, along with any supporting documents. This can include documents such as a title search, a plan search, a body corporate certificate, body corporate bylaws, a pool compliance certificate, any tree application or tree order, any notice under the Environmental Protection Act, or any unlicensed building work under the QBCC Act, and even the most recent rates notice and water notice. Finally, I've just had really great first year in conveyancing and I've had a great time at helping clients achieve settlements, and I'm really looking forward to the changes coming in 2023 and also a lot more successful settlements. Please feel free to get in touch with me or anyone here at Enterprise Legal if you have any questions about your upcoming conveyance. Thank you.